Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the expression on your face on CapCut PC. Now I think this only works with images, like, okay, maybe not this one because he already has an open mouth, so we need to find like a really like a resting face. It's easier to put it on that kind of expression, I should say. Let's see here. I'm going to just use, okay, sorry, I'm just trying to find the picture. Okay, so she has this like face, and it's not really a resting face, more like a patty face, but it works as well. If you go to AI Stylize and select that style and go to expressions, here's where you can change their faces. There's sad. It does take quite a, okay, there's sad. There's dimple laugh. Okay, I'm just gonna say this right now. It's not 100% accurate because it does use like AI to change the person's face, especially the teeth, because they use kind of like this one type of like teeth, and this is the same. They use one type, so it's going to look a little bit different than like your person. As you can see, this is not her smile at all, but yeah, the side one kind of still works. But yeah, hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!